That'll protect you.
This is nearly as big as Missouri.
Bigger than that, I think. Oh, we got this destroyed one right. Jeez.
Another one on the windshield.
Whoa.
I think the.
What do we have to do? Move this up.
Oh my god.
That came through the ceiling. Keep going, Joel! Alright, we gotta keep going.
Oh my god.
That's glass. Okay, you grab the computer real quick. And open it up back there if we can.
We can't.
Alright, so I'm gonna shut your eyes. Keep your fucking eyes shut. They're huge, yes! I got glass in my the bank, yeah.
Oh my god. Jeez.
What do we lose? Back window. Fuck, keep your eyes shut! Shield your eyes!
Martin, let's look up
your eyes covered.
Do you want to take some and chuck them over the top of you?
Yeah. Martin, put your bike helmet on! I need that bike helmet back here. I don't have any protection.
Right, we can sit this on. It's fine. Great. Put on your hand.
Jeez. It's almost over. It sounds like.
Right, we're fine. We're okay.
I got glass in my eyes.
Are you okay?
You're right.
I got glass in my hand.
Wow, too.
You
My
right?
hand is bleeding.
Is your hand bleeding?
Not badly at all.
No, just a little bit.
It just hurts.
There's glass everywhere.
Are you okay, man?
Wait, just sit it out and then we'll sort out.
Are you okay?
Yeah, no blood. I have weather-related
Jesus,
injury.
It's okay. Then very dangerous situation here. But the tornadovideos.net team prevail.
That window's funny.